Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where it is happening. This is the Mabee farm. Sorry about that, watching on big TVs. Again, this is SC Custom Designs. That's our old sign. Just as a reminder, we lived in this house. Two of my children were born in the Mabee house. And so we are coming the day before, which is Friday. And we're looking for I think on the second one in, we're looking for SC Custom Designs. Voila! Pretty cool. Very, very excited to, this is our second venue. Last year, 2017, we were in Woodstock, New York. Now we're in this beautiful, beautiful area. Say hello. That's the lovely side of SC Custom Designs, so much prettier than me. So now we have these buildings were not on the premise when we lived here. So they brought in these units. The Dutch pole barn, I believe that's what I'm looking at there. Sorry, you can't see my fingers. And that was burnt down. So when we lived here, there were two what do you call those trees where the branches? I think I'm a little too excited to remember stuff. Weeping willow trees. So much has been done to the area. So basically, I was the caretaker. I'd have to cut all of this grass, not way over there though. There was a picket fence that went this way and over to the little shed there. Now they've got everything just widening open more. You got chairs, we got a crow, we got the river, of course. So when we lived here, we could walk down this area-ish, and that's where my daughter fell in the river. She remembers that vividly. I was like, oh, she's in the river, I'm gonna go get her. I was naturally very close. So Rotterdam, the Mabee House continues to extend programs and create programs. They have a boat program. Let me see if I can zoom in there. Again, apologizing for you guys on the big TVs. One day I'll have a really sophisticated camera. So here it is. This area here on the end of the house, you know, the original house was the A-frame, and then they built this. I believe this is what they call the Inn. You watch, I'll probably be wrong, but so yeah, I'd have to mow all this grass, and that was our bedroom up there. Beautiful, isn't it? And let's see what we can see here. Of course, this was, oh look, they've got a little table in there. This was all closed up. Whoops, very hard to see. All closed up. And they just had all the antiques, well, just the stuff from that day. This house is 300 years old, my friends. And funny enough, so this is the living room, okay? And folks used to come and do exactly what I'm doing. They would look in here, not realizing that people lived here. It's kind of funny. Not so funny every time, though. You turn around and there's someone faces looking right at you. So that there is the we call it the spare room. There's actually two rooms upstairs. I have a picture of throwing my son Josh up past the roof line. He recalls that vividly. He was a year or two old. Okay, so the vendors are coming, and we're allowed to set up our tents, like I said the day before. And over here is the family plot. Ooh, sorry. Stepping in ruts. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up. And over here we have the well. Believe it, yep, the well. Wow, it's hard to walk with sneakers. And so here we go. Just coming real quick. Looks like they're working on this here. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? So I'm hesitant to call anything. Okay, I've never seen that door open before. Not sure if you can go down in there or not. So, okay. I've got to start setting up. Pretty cool, hey? If you're in the local area, please. Oh, and I have to mention that my first wood shop was right here, coming back from Eretz Israel. So my shop was right in there, and it was a very simple shop. I didn't have a lot of tools. All right, thanks for coming along on the journey. I'm going to go ahead and set up our tent. All right, take care. Next video you see, I believe, will be tomorrow.